The stock of the day is brought to you by IG, Australia's #1 CFD provider. Trade over 17,000 markets with extended trading hours on key US shares and competitive spreads, all on an award-winning platform. Get started at IG.com.
Bapcor shares down 12% after it slashed full-year profit forecast by almost a third. You spooked by that?
Spooked, no. Did I like it beforehand? No. Do I like it less now? Yes. This is not a great business. A fascinating corporate story. Darryl Lobotomy turned up at that business, made a wonderful thing of it, had an argument with the board, left, and it's been pretty miserable since. Was it Darryl? Was it something else? Was it one of those one-trick pony kind of stories? Could anyone have done it and walked away? I don't know. I'd love to be on the inside of this one. I'd love to know when the corporate story is written, how the chips fall and who calls the final decisions. It's just not done particularly well for years. It's a pretty ordinary business. Operational challenges they kind of cited with the downgrade. That just sounds like either they managed it badly or there's something fundamentally broken in the business, and neither of those things are particularly welcome when they come with those sort of downgrades. So no, 17% fall in profit. Maybe they fix it, maybe they don't. I said I'm not doing the Nathan Wait for the upgrade. I am saying it's a fundamentally challenged business, and the numbers recently suggest things are getting worse, not better. You'd be a brave person, I think, to jump in now unless you want to just play the odds of a bounce, and that's not my go. So yeah. I don't own the shares. I would probably have sold them. I would probably sell
them. Yeah. Nathan, they did blame New Zealand. Yeah, New Zealand is a bit of an economic court case at the moment, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
They said challenging conditions across its trade, retail, and New Zealand operations.
Yeah, I mean, look, businesses have gone on board to businesses in US, bought it in UK. They're challenging too. So there's a lot of things that are going to be challenging. So look, I agree with what Scott said. I mean, the basic fact is it's in a multi-year downgrade cycle. It just keeps downgrading. Market gets excited, gets smacked, and then comes back and goes, yeah, we'll do it again, smack. And this has happened for a number of years. I don't actually know that there's going to be a lot of sentiment because I think a lot of people have lost a lot of money. Look, there might be a M&A potential when it comes down to it. But at the moment, I don't know how to measure it. It's too hard. Yep. It's just too hard. Too many downgrades. There's no, they're not giving me any confidence that they're seeing something turning around. So why would you take the risk?
Okay. All right. So a no from both Scott and Nathan on Bapcor.
The stock of the day was brought to you by IG. Trade over 12,000 shares and ETFs, including major tech giants with extended hours on an award-winning platform. Get started at IG.com.